Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be my Boxycharm unboxing video. This is the September box and we got really cool products in this month's box, I must say. They are products that I would generally not pick up or use or want to get or anything like that. So I'm kind of glad that they put these in because I kind of found some gems, guys. These are pretty cool products, I think. The only thing that was weird was the liner, and you'll see why, but pretty cool box. And if you want to see how I created this look, then just keep on watching. So as normal, when you open up the box, the first thing you get is the insert card. This month's theme was wildflower, and this is the insert card. So it's all green and pretty, and we got 5 products in this month's box. The first item that I'm going to pull out is the brushes. So this is the Alamar Cosmetics Ojitos brush set. Made with 100% synthetic fibers, these brushes are extremely soft, durable, and essential to your brush collection. The flat painter brush effortlessly applies color onto your lids, while the fluffier blender brush can be used to seamlessly blend colors together. The flat tight liner brush is perfect for direct color application onto your lashes. So the next item in the box is this palette. So this palette is from Pretty Vulgar. It's their Nightingale Smokey eyeshadow palette. This is made up of 12 highly pigmented shades. The Nightingale palette is sure to help you create your best looks. The matte shimmer and satin shades are soft in texture, and luxuriously smooth formula makes it for easy blending and long wear. So this is not really my kind of palette. The colors are lovely and it's actually prettier in person than it looked on photos. So I might actually end up liking this palette, but this is definitely colors that my mom loves to wear, so I'm pretty sure she'll get a lot of use out of this, more than I would. I'm just going to zoom you guys in and then we can create a look with this palette. I'm just going to put some translucent powder under my eyes just in case there is any fallout. I don't want anything happening like last time. Item in the box is this blush. So this is the Loreal Baked Blush-n-brighten. Add a gorgeous glowy flush to your cheeks with this baked blush. Stunning swirls of liquid pigments are baked in Italy for 24 hours on terracotta tiled and hand finished into a silky dome of powder. This smooth and long wearing formula is paraben free and infused with skin loving antioxidants. So I don't know if I would normally pair this with the look that I've got going on, but I think this blush in general is super pretty. Oh, and there's like a little mirror, a tiny little mirror, so if you need one like traveling, I think it's pretty cute for that. I am obsessed with this blush. So I don't know if you can see, but it leaves this like sheen on the face. I don't have any highlighter on, by the way, just bronzer. and it literally just leaves this beautiful flushed sheen highlighted look. So you could wear this to me on a normal day where you don't want to wear highlighter but you still want to look like dewy and fresh and stuff. I really think that this would pair really nice with that type of look. The next item in the box would be this guy. So Butter London Stroke of Wow Roll-On Liner. Create precise ultra-fine winged liner looks with this innovative liquid liner. The ergonomic handle gives you insane control while creating your liner looks. The roll-on applicator does all of the work for you while delivering a pitch black pigment that meets your boldest standards. Created with a longevity complex, this quick-drying, smudge-proof formula is guaranteed to last. I kind of have a feeling, but I could be so wrong, that MAC came out with a roller liner thing like this. I just don't know how this makes it easier. I think this might be a bit difficult for me, but we're gonna give it a go. To me isn't that easy. It's a bit tricky in the sense that you can't just hold it the way you would normally hold eyeliner to line your eyes. You have to hold it so that the wheel is gonna like go with the flow. So I did find it actually a bit tricky. It does create a really precise line, so if you could learn to work with it and play around with it, and you want like really straight and thin lines that you can build up, this is a winner for that. The only thing I don't like is I do not like liquid liners that are shiny. I love matte black liners. The last item in the box is this lipstick. Hank & Henry liquid lipstick. Have your cake and wear it too. This frosting scented long wear liquid lipstick glides on smoothly while its vitamin E infused formula gives your lips the youthful look they deserve. It's highly pigmented and dries to a stunning full coverage matte finish that never dries to your lips and never transfers. So this is actually a lipstick that I really wanted, so I'm actually really excited about that. But I wanted to still say, how freaking cool is this packaging? Like when I looked at it, I thought it was a bullet lipstick. So I didn't realize it was a liquid lip because it looks like a normal bullet lipstick. I think that's pretty cool. So I'm just going to finish up this look with products we did not get in the box. If you ever wonder what else I'm wearing, if it's not listed in the box, you are more than welcome to look at my description box. Okay guys, so that completes today's video. I hope you guys liked it. I kind of liked this month's box. It was really interesting things and I found some hidden gems. I really liked the lipstick and this palette. I didn't like it, I must say. I was looking at it and I was not excited for it at all, but it's a pretty cool little discovery. Cool tones, this is pretty much the only palette you'll ever need for cool tone colors, I promise you. So that is it. If you guys like this video and like this look, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below. But I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.